click the Review tab on the ribbon. In the Changes group, click the Protect Sheet button. The Protect Sheet dialog box opens. Click the Protect Worksheet and Contents of Locked Cells checkbox. Excel will prevent users from making changes to any locked cells. Click the Password to Unprotect Sheet. You will enter a password to prevent others from changing your protection settings. Type Cengage in the Password to Unprotect. Excel masks the password characters with bullets as you type. In the Allow All Users of this worksheet to list, click the Select Locked Cells checkbox to select it. Checks appear in both the Select Locked Cells and the Select Unlocked Cells checkboxes. Users will be able to select the locked cells, but will not be able to make changes to those cells. Users will be able to select and make changes to unlocked cells. Click OK. The Confirm Password dialog box opens. Type Cengage in the Re-enter. Click OK. The dialog box closes and Excel protects the worksheet as specified.